The Glacier Express begins with premium structural steel engineered for strength. Every component is inspected before production starts. Computer-guided lasers cut every frame component precisely. Accuracy here ensures a perfectly aligned train body. Robotic welding creates an incredibly rigid passenger car frame. Every weld is monitored for perfect consistency. Laser scanners verify every structural measurement. Even tiny deviations are corrected immediately. The roof transforms the frame into a complete car body. Heavy lifting is synchronized with millimeter accuracy. Lightweight aluminum reduces weight while maintaining strength. The Glacier Express body now takes shape. The iconic panoramic windows require exceptional precision. Every opening must fit perfectly. Strong reinforcement supports the enormous glass panels. These frames guarantee long-term safety. The Glacier Express is famous for its panoramic glass. Each panel is installed with robotic precision. Advanced sealants protect against weather and vibration. Every seal is carefully inspected. Protective coatings extend the train's service life. Robotic spraying ensures flawless coverage. The Glacier Express receives its iconic red exterior. Precision painting creates a premium finish. Controlled heat permanently cures the protective coating. The finish becomes highly durable. The bogies carry the entire weight of the Glacier Express. They're engineered for stability on alpine routes. Precision wheel sets are fitted to ensure a smooth and quiet journey. The completed bogie is now ready to support the train. The completed bogie is carefully joined to the train body. Laser-guided positioning guarantees perfect alignment. Both bogies now support the Glacier Express carriage. Each connection is torque-tested for safety. Powerful braking systems ensure safe mountain operation. Every brake component is precision installed. The pneumatic braking network is assembled beneath the train. Every connection is pressure sealed. Thousands of electrical connections power every onboard system. Each cable is carefully protected and labeled. Electronic controllers coordinate every onboard function. Precision wiring ensures dependable performance. The Glacier Express climate system keeps passengers comfortable year-round. Each rooftop unit is carefully installed. Hidden ducts distribute clean air throughout the carriage. Comfort begins with efficient airflow. Composite flooring provides strength and noise reduction. It forms the foundation of the luxury interior. The elegant cabin begins to take shape. Every panel is fitted with precision. The panoramic ceiling integrates modern lighting systems. Hidden wiring creates a clean, premium finish. Energy-efficient LEDs illuminate the luxurious cabin. The first lighting test confirms perfect operation. Luxury seating defines the Glacier Express experience. Each seat is mounted for comfort and safety.
Every passenger space is designed for luxury travel. Smooth mechanisms ensure reliable operation.
The luxury passenger cabin is now fully assembled. Next, advanced onboard systems and final testing begin. Modern digital displays keep passengers informed throughout the journey. Each system is connected to the train's central network.
Premium speakers provide clear announcements and relaxing music. Every speaker is individually tested.
High-definition cameras enhance onboard passenger safety. Real-time monitoring protects every journey. Safety systems are essential to every Glacier Express carriage. Every emergency device undergoes rigorous inspection. Precision doors ensure smooth and reliable passenger access. Every movement is electronically calibrated. Weather seals protect the cabin from snow, rain, and dust. Each seal is checked for perfect compression. The control cab combines advanced technology with ergonomic design. Every control is positioned for maximum efficiency. The intelligent control system performs its first startup. Every electronic module is automatically verified. Every mechanical component is carefully inspected. Nothing is left to chance. Perfect wheel alignment ensures smooth alpine travel. Precision measurements improve long-term performance. Advanced software checks every onboard system. Any issue is detected instantly.
The audio features a voiceover saying, "Every light is tested for brightness and reliability."
The climate control system is tested under factory conditions. Comfort is measured throughout the cabin. Every water connection is pressure tested before service. Leak-free operation is essential for reliability. The braking system is tested under simulated operating conditions. Only flawless performance moves the Glacier Express to final certification. The Glacier Express begins its very first movement inside the factory. Every system is monitored in real time.
Acceleration performance is carefully measured. Every value must meet strict engineering standards.
Advanced suspension ensures an exceptionally smooth ride. It is tested under realistic conditions. Quiet operation is essential for luxury travel. Acoustic performance is carefully verified. The panoramic windows undergo intensive leak testing. Perfect sealing protects passengers in every season. All electrical systems operate together under full load. Engineers verify stable power distribution. Every passenger detail is inspected by hand. Luxury requires flawless craftsmanship. The signature red finish is examined for perfection. No defect is acceptable. The iconic Glacier Express identity is finally revealed. Precision alignment creates a premium appearance. A protective finish preserves the train's brilliant appearance. It also improves long-term durability. Experienced inspectors perform the last visual review. Every detail must meet luxury standards. The completed train officially passes factory certification. It is now approved for delivery. Months of engineering come together in one remarkable train. The Glacier Express is ready for the outside world. The Glacier Express is now fully assembled and factory approved. Next comes real-world testing before passenger service. The Glacier Express begins its first outdoor railway trial. Every onboard system is monitored in real time. The train accelerates under controlled testing conditions. Performance data confirms engineering precision. Emergency braking is tested under realistic conditions. The train stops smoothly and safely. The suspension keeps the journey stable through every curve. Luxury comfort remains uncompromised. Tunnel testing confirms excellent passenger comfort. Pressure and noise remain well controlled. The Glacier Express glides confidently across the bridge. Structural stability meets every engineering requirement. Comfort is tested from the passenger's perspective. Every detail enhances the travel experience. Luxury extends beyond engineering to every onboard experience. The dining cabin reflects premium craftsmanship.
Thousands of test results are carefully analyzed. The Glacier Express exceeds every requirement.
Official inspectors certify the completed train. The Glacier Express is now ready for service. The final finishing touches complete the manufacturing journey. The Glacier Express shines with perfection. The completed Glacier Express is proudly presented. A new chapter begins on the rails. Months of precision engineering come to life. The Glacier Express begins its remarkable journey. Designed for unforgettable journeys through the Swiss Alps, the Glacier Express combines luxury with world-class engineering. From raw steel to one of the world's most iconic luxury trains, this is the extraordinary journey of the Glacier Express.